All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's and this week's Wednesday adjective. General. General. Without being specific. General. See, specific, but general. Yeah, there's somewhere here. Yeah. But by being specific, we mean exactly that one. But general, yeah. That is the general idea. I know some general rules. Yeah, general rules. Yeah. I have a general idea what I need to do. Yeah. General idea. Those were the general rules he follows. Yeah. He has to go in that general direction. Just that general direction. Yeah, that way. Yeah. So I will write about a general family. Yeah, in a story. Just, yeah, not specific, but just in general. Yeah. He is a generalist, for example. Generalist. So he doesn't specialize in one thing, but he does all sorts of things. He works on all kinds of jobs and tasks. Yeah. How cool is that? She wants a general book about tea. Yeah, none particular, just a general book about tea. How cool is that? So they talk about general everyday things. Yeah, everyday things. Anything and everything. Anything and everything. How cool is that? So it is the general idea. It is that is the general taste of it. Yeah. Taste of it. Yeah, general taste. Yeah, not so bad. How cool is that? That was the general design back then. The general design, not specific, but they're the general thought. That was the general thought people had back then. Yeah. I'm writing something generally about fantasy. It is a general fantasy novel. Yeah, general fantasy novel. Nothing specific. Just general fantasy. General dragons and such. Yeah. How cool is that? Will you know the general directions? Yeah, I always. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. I know the general direction. Just follow me. I know where we're going. Just follow me. Yeah. How cool is that? So this is just a general green plant. I'm not sure which it is though. General green plant. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, general. Yeah. So, can you use general in a sentence? Whoops. And can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram by searching for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.